In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Typeform quiz, as laid out in our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Typeform or looking to fine-tune your quiz creation skills, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's dive in. To start, open up your web browser and head over to www.typeform.com. Once there, you'll want to look at the top right corner of the home page where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you've set up your account using an email address, input your email and password. Alternatively, if your account is linked to Google, Microsoft, or other services, you can use those credentials to log in. After you've entered your login details, click that Login button, and you should be taken right to your account dashboard. Once inside, on the main dashboard, the next step is to create a new Typeform. Find and click on the Create New Typeform button. Typeform will then present you with options on how you'd like to proceed in building your quiz. You can start from scratch, import questions from Google Forms, or even leverage AI to create. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're starting from scratch. Now, Typeform will lead you to an interface where you can begin adding elements to your quiz. Here you'll find a variety of question types to choose from, like multiple choice, short text, long text, yes, no, rating, and picture choice, which gives you the ability to include images for a more engaging experience. Begin by typing your question and then adding the possible answers. Try to keep your questions clear and concise, aiming to engage your audience. Once you have all your questions set, it's time to get creative with the presentation. Click on the Design tab located on the left side of the screen. This allows you to modify the theme by changing colors and fonts, and even adjusting the background to better reflect your personal or brand style. A well-designed quiz is not only visually appealing but can also enhance user experience. Don't forget the thank you page, which is crucial for leaving a positive last impression. Take a moment to add a friendly message or instructions for what comes next after participants complete your quiz. When you're happy with the content and design, shift over to the Settings tab. Here you can configure options such as making questions mandatory, allowing multiple selections, randomizing answer order, adding an other option, and deciding if vertical alignment suits your questionnaire style. Before you publish, it's always a good idea to click on the preview button. This gives you the opportunity to run through your quiz to ensure everything flows seamlessly and looks just right. Finally, once you're fully satisfied with your creation, click that publish button. And there you have it, a professionally made Typeform quiz, ready to be shared and utilized. Happy quizzing!